Hi, I'm Fran Hutchins, Director of Bat Conservation International's Bracken Cave Preserve. Caves are important bat roosts for many of our different species of bats. Just like the cave that I'm in right now, they're formed either rock shelters or solution caves that are formed when rainwater drips through the cracks, crevices, fractures and faults and bending planes and dissolves away the limestone, creates these large voids in the earth. Many of our over 1,400 species of bats, like the insectivorous Mexican free-tailed bat or the endangered nectivorous Mexican long-nosed bat, use caves as homes and shelters. As roosts for sleeping during the day, hibernating during the winter, having and raising their babies. Bat Conservation International staff study these caves to identify which ones are being used by bats so we can protect these very important habitats and protect our bats that are using caves as homes.